So I added 2 puzzles onto my previous magnet box thing. The first is on top here. You have this blinder, which is blocking your view of the sliding puzzle from before. It's covered with bumps, and then you have on this grate several bumps. So it starts off like this, and the goal here is to rotate the bumps on top while sliding the bumps on bottom to try and remove the slider. You notice it's open on one end. The trick is to rotate and move back and forth until you find the right way of sliding past every bump. Sometimes it gets pretty tricky. You gotta rotate carefully. Let's see, what do I do here? Rotate. There. Now once you've removed that, you can view the sliding puzzle underneath. You're supposed to keep the grate on top. It makes it more difficult. I'm going to remove it though so the camera can see better. So here, this bump, as before, needs to rotate. However, it's blocked by these pieces. So we have to look at the pieces and find the order of how to move them. So first, we'll slide that away, slide that down, slide this one to the side. Oh, sometimes it gets a little stuck. Slide that to the side. This white one comes up. Now these also get stuck sometimes. There's a trick to it. That gray one comes down. That yellow one comes down. That was actually the best I ever did it. Now, normally you would be able to rotate this, but at a certain point it gets stuck. So that's where this puzzle on the bottom comes in. Notice there's panels on all the sides, and some of them don't seem to move at first. So you'll notice here there's a little hole, and if you look very carefully you can see part of a peg, but this hole isn't lined up, so it can't come out. So we're going to need to move this, but it's being blocked by this. And this is being blocked on the back by all these panels. So first we have to slide this panel up. Then we can slide this white panel to the side, which allows this red panel to slide forward, which then allows this to slide all the way. Now the hole is lined up, and the peg comes out. Now that the peg has come out, we can go back to the top part, rotate this, and it causes the box to come out. As we have magnets that are rotating, the polarity is reversed, it repels the box comes out, and you get your prize.